PNX News.
We can go off to our correspondent in Birmingham, England, Brit Lymon.
We're going to Brit Lymon in the UK, our British correspondent for PNX News. Brit?
Hi, this is Brit Lymon, PNX News UK reporter, reporting from the wilderness in a forest just outside of Birmingham. I'm a punk in nature, in fact. Talking of which, Punk in Nature put on an event in Kidderminster at the Boars a few weeks ago, and as usual Brit Lymon was there to report on it and show the event and the bands that played. So let's go and check it out. Meanwhile, me and the cameraman are going to go and wander over to this little lake behind me, and we're going to find out whether it's true, because the word round here is there's a big horrible monster under that water that's going to reach out and drag you under and eat you alive. But, you know, I don't believe that, and I'm sure the cameraman don't, correct? Now, come on, you don't. Look, if you don't want to go, just go, because I'll do this myself. Now, I was just kidding. Now, I want you to stay. Don't leave me here on my own. Oh, my God. That's just bull. That's just bull. You will be back. You will be back. I've got no doubts. Because nobody leaves Brit Lymon on his own, and it's getting dark. That cameraman will be back long before it gets dark. And to prove a point, I'm going to show I'm not scared. I'm going to stop right here till he comes back. Meanwhile, you watch the footage, and when you come back to the footage, me and the cameraman will be here, and we'll prove the myth about the monster. Explain the name of the LEECH leaders. Where's that come from?
Our ex-singer came up with it and we sacked him, so now it's our name.
Yeah.
Why sack him?
Well, he kind of left, didn't he?
Left the band, he moved to Austria.
Moved in on Earth for a better life in Australia.
Austria.
Yeah, that's the one.
Austria. Same place.
And how would you describe your sound?
Insane.
Yeah, sounds about right.
Fast.
Yeah, agreed.
Let's see some LEECH bleeders right now.
Gives a shit. Just taking advantage of my age.
We are the LEECH bleeders.
Absolutely. This is what happens. If you're a LEECH bleeder, this is what happens to you.
Black
prove this is a family event. This is Nicola from Brassic.
Hello. Okay, so this is Georgia. Georgia, age 7. This is Oliver, aged 8. Hello. And thank you for having us.
I'm Pete, age 26. Yeah.
Guys want to be in a band when you get older? Enjoy the show, guys.
I can go. Where's that damn cameraman? I thought he'd come back. I'm so scared. I'm Brit Lymon. I shouldn't be put in this position. What's that noise? Oh my God, it's...